Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of Trip Dude. Today we are heading to a beautiful waterfall in Thrissur called as Marottichal Waterfall. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. This place is located at around 22 km from Thrissur. The Google Map location will lead you to a place where you can park the car and you need to walk a little further to reach the waterfall. The waterfall is surrounded with forest area and full of greeneries. It is a good place to visit here with friends and families, and you can spend around half a day. From the starting point, you can walk a little further to reach the other side of the falls. Make sure to carry another set of clothes so that you can also swim. If you haven't tried a natural fish spa before, then I recommend you must try here. Visit this place and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.